The new technology in our classroom has been fantastic. We've moved away from just TVs, televisions, to an interactive display where everyone in the class can be engaged. It's just been fantastic for up-leveling people's learning.
So we're at the early days of our use of ViewSonic. They were installed last term and over the summer. What we are seeing though is amazing feedback already from the teachers that have them in their classrooms, that have been using them to support training, and people are very excited about how they're going to be using that new technology moving forward to support teaching in the classroom.
It's been great working with Guernsey in particular, especially with them being a Google school. So we focused a lot on Google integration and how they can use their slides within our software My View boards. And feedback that we've had from teachers is that they see it going to have a real big impact in their classroom, and especially for teaching and learning.
It's amazing. It is absolutely amazing. The difference it's going to make to teaching and learning is huge. The reaction from the children when we first put this particular screen in, the children loved it, and watching all of them wanting to come in without any training, without any thought, they were there playing with it. The teacher was immediately trying the different tools and using it in different ways. It revolutionised things immediately. We're now at a point where we've got a number of screens in all of our rooms and the teachers are ready to go, which is excellent.
We were really inspired by the team at ViewSonic, their passion for what they do, and we really felt that they understood what it's like for a classroom teacher to deal with new technology, and really understood how to support staff to be able to use new technology for the first time and develop their skills over time. And it gave us a high level of confidence, and we'd also looked at different reference sites and where you've already been working, and again that gave us real confidence about buying the product, not just because of the product itself, but because of the support that comes with it, with the training and ongoing practical hands-on advice.
The interactivity really increasing, not only through phones, but in more directions, and you see also the attention of children going in that direction. So we were thinking, how can we keep that engagement with the students going and invest in our schools?
We've installed a number of pieces of hardware, mainly the interactive displays that you see behind me. But this is part of our larger ecosystem. We support the States of Guernsey with software, hardware, service and content.
Our real aim with technology is that it is not a gimmick, and that we are using the programme to fundamentally improve teaching and learning and to really enhance what's happening in the classroom. We're particularly focused at the moment on what we have termed high quality inclusive practice, which is around supporting learners with special educational needs. And it's really about making sure that we can use that technology to really enhance the outcomes for every young person. And so what we see longer term is people's skills developing over time and a real impact in the classroom to support every young person to achieve their best.
ViewSonic have been there to support us when we need it. Sam has always been on the end of an email and has been really good about providing the information and support that we need. There's so much support for staff online as well. And so it's been a really positive experience for us.
It's going to lift the lessons that we currently do. I think it will be a huge impact really quickly.